morning guys, we're here at DGR 2025, DGR Manila 2025. So yung first place or yung meeting place is dito sa Quezon City Hall, and then we'll be riding to Century Park, Century Park Hotel sa Manila. Ayan. So check mo muna natin yung mga classic bikes and yung mga dapper looks, of course. Alright, let's go. Oh, look at this. Ayos eh. BMWs. Ayan o. Classic eh, no? Natin ito lahat tayo dun. Ayun o, cute power cup. Deluxe Honda linis. Oh yes, XSR and CBR.
Sasama ko na si Aba.
Ayun bro, yung ano, di ba? This is the classic one.
Wag na wag po kayong mawawala sa ating after ride event later after this ride. So please be reminded that we will be riding out at 7:30 a.m.
I'd like to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to join the DGR. Alam nyo, DGR has a very good purpose of doing this. It's for a very good cause. And all of you are part of the reasons why DGR is so successful. So congratulations to the team of Mark Lakay for organizing this event.
Lakay.
Hi everybody, good morning! Good morning everyone!
Good morning!
Parang walang excited, no?
Once again.
Good morning! Good morning everyone! Has everybody had their coffee na? May coffee na, water? Have you had anything this morning? So, DGR Manila 2025.
At sandali lang po, bago po tayo umalis, we would like to thank our sponsors, our supporters,
Let's go!
and of course, mga gentlemen na nasa harap natin, the Black Stallions. Maraming salamat sa suporta, sa passion.
Alright, we'll be riding in a few minutes.
And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors, Graham Motorcycles.
Go, matagal ka pa naman maglagay ng mga anik-anik. Bagay na bagay pang parade speed 35 to 40. just arrived at Century. And kakatapos na ride and it took us, I think, around 1 hour na travel. Alright. Outside. Oh, nice. Oh. Morning.
Per piece po nung Davidoff natin na anibersaryo is 1-1.
Nice. Yes, di ba? So, ito na lang we have here inside the event. So, we have our breakfast and some coffee. Alright. Super good. Let's go.
natin yan, naalala ko yung first time nakakita ko ng dede ng matanda. May accident! May accident! Please do not judge me. Computer kasi ako. So dyan ko makaka-experience sa mga ganyan. I have to share this story, no? Pag nasa bus ka kasi puno, so ang nangyari sa akin, nakita ko ng dede ng matanda. Kasi puno yung bus. So nakatayo ako sa gitna. Tapos may naramdaman ako na humampas dito sa hita ko. So sakto, pag-link ko kung gano'n, paabot yung matanda nung ayaw niya.
Ako sa kulay ng itsura ko, di ba? Wala kang balang labayan, naitim na ako. Oo, totoo yan, no? Ang hirap maging maitim sa Pilipinas.
Ayun. The DJR 2025 is officially closed. And we're heading home or bibisita pa kami sa Perea, Moto District. Ayan, then I bought some elf merch, no? Para dun sa limited edition na DJR exclusive na mug. Ayan. So, thank you. And we're heading home. Ayan. We're here at Perea, Moto District. Ayan bro. So, hindi namin naabot yung free coffee. So nag-order na lang kami na iced coffee for us. Ayan, iced Americano. So legit. Thank you. Manayan. Yes.